What's up, YouTube? Pastor Bob. Well, here's another clock that I'm building for my auctions this fall. This one here is pretty hard to do. It'll transform a little bit more than it has. This is spalted maple. This is like 4A spalted maple. That's really expensive stuff. It has over $300 in gemstones. This is a Burma ruby. Well, it used to be Burma ruby. It's now Mogok. These are white zircons. And then in here we have rare red garnets. Let's see, what else do we got here? This one here is... let me see. It's kind of hard to tell what that is. Oh, that's a rare red garnet too. And this here is... Let's see. Shit. What the hell is that? Until I take some of the stain off, it's kind of hard for me to even tell. What is that? Oh, that's amethyst. And then this one here is quartz. Of course, that's rare red garnet. That's rare red garnet. Oh, wait a minute. Let me look at that. That is a sapphire. And let's see, what do we got over here? I think that's a sapphire too. Yeah, I think that's a sapphire too. I think that is tourmaline. Oops, don't drop it, Bob. They're all fresh. So, anyways, I think that's tourmaline. So it looks like. So, and I think that's a garnet. Yeah, that's a garnet right there. Anyway, pretty, huh? Yeah. And this has a little star in it, which is really, really, I don't know if you can see it. There's a small little star in it. That's onyx. And these are mother of pearl from the 1920s or 30s buttons. So, working on this too. I work on several different clocks, and I do them all in different stages. So, I'm working on them, man. I'm trying to get them done. I'll be working on these for about 4 months. Takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, but I wanted to show you guys. Oh, you want to know the name? This is a bow tie affair. Keeping time with that bow tie affair. Keeping time with that bow tie affair. Oh, yeah. That's what's up. It's pretty good though, huh? This is Coca-Cola. And why this is sticking out is so that if a person wants to hang their necklaces on it or whatever, I thought that would be kind of cool. Or they could put ties on it. It could be a man's or or a woman's. It doesn't matter. Yeah. I still have to lighten it up a little bit. I get it real dark and then I'll lighten it up a little bit with some sanding. And then I have about 6 or 7 coats of top coat to put on it. Man, I'll tell you what, it's a lot of work. But anyway, hope you all liked it. Like, share, subscribe. I'm hungry and now I'm going inside. All right, y'all have a good weekend. I'll talk to y'all later. Take care. Pastor Bob's out of here. See ya.